welcome back.
Sleepy.
Ah, dude, man, it is so ass to get this in. Things right here, your best friends when it comes to false knock in your car. I get fender. I don't pay you to be on your phone. Alright, so this is part 6, I think it is. This time we for sure are starting the car. I have everything that I need to start it, so let's get right into it. I gotta cut this lower because while it was hooked up to the turbo, it was like this, and it was like kinking, so I gotta cut it lower so then it's straight, like that. Listen, crooked as anything. Well, I don't want that side straight. Which one do you want here? If that's straight. Yeah, because that's what the 90's going on. I need to go stand with this. Now you just gotta fight it again. Ah, dude, man, it is so ass to get this in. Alright, so we have the 10AN coming in right here. Focus, camera. Focus. There we go. So it's coming right there. It's banking around, and then it's way better than what it was. Last time it was kinked right here. It was kinked really bad. Shit. Woo! These things right here, your best friends when it comes to false knock in your car. Alright, so this is the plastic part that we ended up getting. So it splits in the middle, like so. And then you feed the wire through it. So necessarily it's going to look like this when it's all done. And plug it into here. Oh shit. Okay, got that plugged in. And it is tight. For putting in oil, we're at the step to do it. Here we go. Royal purple going in. All drained. I just gotta put the last quart in. Alright, so the car is 100% ready to go. All we have to do is the exhaust work, the catch can, and it is ready. It's done. I just filled it up with oil, all the royal purples in there, and then I put in the O2 sensor with the harness going all around. Everything's plugged in. I think we're good to go.
Sleepy.
Alright, starting the morning off early because today is when we hook up the exhaust. Alright, so we got the OSHA compliant stands going on. Let me show you guys what exactly we are doing. So this part right here, the white pipe, or not white pipe, the shorty, oh god, focus. The shorty pipe right there, all that needs to be cut off because the down pipe sits right there and it needs to connect all the way over. So, alright. So he's gonna snip this off right there, and then it's gonna put the two V bands. So there's gonna be a connecting right here, and then another connecting right here. So the Y band, so the Y pipe can hook like that, and it can go to my down pipe that we already showed. But then when I'm ready to do exhaust work, all I have to do is just take these V bands off, and the whole mid pipe drops off. welding the V-band for the 3-inch downpipe right now. Alright, so this is the wide pipe and the mid pipe that we came up with. It's all fancy smanchy. Bellow right there, the V-band goes up to the wide pipe. Now we are welding in the exhaust, and he's just finishing up all the tacks that we made, that we measured underneath the car. Alright, so now we're just gonna TIG weld this whole wide pipe. Well, the attachment to the wide pipe, but this is essentially the mid pipe. Alright, there we go, it's all in there. Both V-bands are on. Let's go. Alright, now that it's all out of the car, it is all completely welded and ready to go back in the car. And then we have the other one just sitting over here, ready to go in. Now, when it cranks, it might be a little off because this is the first start it has since the engine swap. But there's plenty of fuel pressure, I hear it.
The drains are all hooked up.
Yeah, the drains
To the turbo.
I get sender. Kill it for now because I want to double check that the oil drain lines are all good. That just sounds fucking meaty, dude. It's a you
want me to get Mom out here?
How do you feel?
Nuts. Dude, it feels crazy.
Being interrogated right now.
It's actually insane.
Dude, that thing, honestly, I get what you mean. Everyone's saying it sounds like a lawnmower after, like, because, like, right there, idle sounds pretty sick, but I feel like once you get on it, might
Oh,
sound
no,
like
yeah, 100%. That's why I'm going to have to weld in that wastegate. I'm going to 100% have to weld that in. Yeah, it's probably from the pipe or it's from the oil. The oil. How bad? I don't know. What's leaking? Well, he's just not telling me to turn it off. Right?
Oh, well, it's gone now.
Oh, okay. Out in? Yeah. Holy shit! Well, so as you guys could see from last night, the turbo kit was on and it was running. That little clip that you guys, I'll put in the screen or put in the video right now of it backfiring was absolutely insane. It was like a 2-foot, 3-foot flame. Insane, insane, insane. So let me go over of everything that was done to it. So last night, what I didn't document a lot was the oil catch can setup. So I have one going that way to the crankcase. And I have the other one sneaking down here to the other crate case right there. And then everything else on the turbo worked perfectly fine. The only parts we have to fix are, of course, the exhaust leaks that are happening right there on the downpipe. So what I'm going to do right now is go underneath the car and try to fix it as best as possible. Start it up for you guys, get a cold start, and show you guys how it sounds. So let me show you guys the exhaust. So you got that right there, 2 of the O2 sensors, back to the white pipe, and then all the way back to the exhaust. So you zoom out, oh, that's the little part that we fabbed up. Works really good, and I just went and put that side, I tightened up that a lot more and I pushed it up, but all of it right here, we're all looking good. Alright, now let's get a cold start to see if we fix that exhaust leak. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. Going in. The little turbo going. Yes, sir. That looks sick. One thing I'm gonna change out is this blow off valve. I am gonna swap this out to a different blow off valve because I don't even know what brand that is. But everything seems to be working. Let's go under here. It's still doing its exhaust leak. We're good right there. Alright, so it's definitely fixed. The exhaust leak is good. We are good to go. Damn, this is crazy. That's crazy to see, man. This is insane. Alright, so the car is 100% all back together. We got the whole engine bay stuff on, the filter on the turbo now, and then the lights now are on. You can see the lights are plugged in, and then we got the whole splash shield all on. So it's been on jack stands for about, I think since like December 2nd or something like that. So time to take her down and get the first actual drive in and start the tuning process. The tuning process, oh man, I look crazy. So the tuning process should take about a month, give or take. Depends on how much time I have. Because I do have school, I do have work. So I'm going to start the tuning process as fast as possible. But that's basically it. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for following on the journey. Hit those bell notification because this is not the last episode. You got to watch when I start driving it for the first time and I actually do my first pull when it's done being tuned. So I'm going to leave it here. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. You guys just seen it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.